Fox 13 meteorologist Dave Osterberg with your Sky Tower radar forecast.
Well, our summertime air mass is here, getting back up to that 90-degree mark yesterday, and kind of muggy this morning with the 60s and 70s back again. West Chase at 74 degrees, same for Tampa International. We've got 74 in Palm Harbor, 68 degrees in the Crystal River area, 72 in Weeki Wachee, 70s all the way down the coast. Really, anybody close to the water now, just kind of sitting in the 70s. Keep in mind the water temps are now at 82 degrees, so it makes it a lot harder to cool it off right along the coast first thing in the morning. And I've also got, look at all these upper 60s for you inland. Winds are primarily out of the southeast as they've been. They're not going to be a huge factor today, although we do have a moderate chop on the coastal waters, and that sea breeze will get going in the afternoon and start that push inland. I wanted to show you one thing. Notice how the whole week in the humid category, especially on Friday, and then it dips a little bit. The computer's models really want to try to bring a front through the area. Don't get too excited. It may dry us out, knock our temperatures down a couple degrees for a day, and then it's going to go right back up again. So that is a possibility as we go into the weekend. What else your eyes are drawn to is this little disturbance kind of rolling across the Gulf, but notice as it gets closer and closer, it's beginning to fall apart. So there's nothing here. We're just going to get a few clouds to mix in with our sunshine today, and maybe a couple of isolated late day evening storms, as we've seen over the past few days, and it should be primarily inland. The big weather issue today is here, right in the middle of the country. Moderate risk for severe storms. Don't be surprised if they go up to a high risk in somewhere in this red area here, perhaps near Oklahoma City or up toward the border of Kansas. That is also a distinct possibility. So there is an unbelievable tornado possibility, best way to put it, from Wichita to Oklahoma City much later today and into the evening. Check in with Paul beginning at 4 o'clock for that. Partly cloudy and hot with 1 or 2 isolated inland storms today. Your high around 90 degrees. I mean, listen, the rain chances aren't high. They're about 20%, mainly inland, but they're not zero. Mild muggy tonight, low 74. Tomorrow, that 20% rain chance as well, with your high temperature of around 90 degrees. Boaters, that moderate chop is set up for you this afternoon with that southeasterly wind at around 10 knots. I'm also looking at 90s all the way through. Notice how we do go back into the 80s, though, for this upcoming weekend. And at this point, Mother's Day looks partly cloudy with 88 degrees for a high.